guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I currently ran out of foundation, so I don't have any, so this is kind of a lighter makeup look for every day. The first thing I do to get my hair out of my face is take an oversized scrunchie and just put my hair up. Now that my hair is all up, I'm going to take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel and just apply that over my face. Once finished, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral and just apply it under my eyes and to any pimples I have. Now taking a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to dab it on my skin, blending out the concealer. And since this foundation is a little light for me, I'm just gonna be blending it around to match my skin tone. Now, having all that done, I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer along with a Firma 102 brush to just chisel out in bronze. Jack's going to know. Now, using my Dandelion blush from Benefit, I'm going to be using a Vanity Planet brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's the powder blush brush. And just putting it on my cheekbones. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Amber Gold and a little bit of mix of White Sand. I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna mix them with this, I don't know, like it kind of, the bristles get smaller towards the end, and I'm just gonna mix those colors and put it on my face, right here in this little L shape, and then on my nose and along my Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows just with the Brow in the shade 2. And I'm just going to fill them in and I'll be back. Now that my eyebrows are on, I'm going to be taking my Fill and Tame Brow Gel from Beauty On You and just kind of setting them. With my eyebrows done, we're going to move on to eyes, and I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions along with a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to be going into this shade on the lower right hand side. Shape Tape on the back of my hand. And a cream, like, concealer brush, I'm going to kind of, I don't know, give a little refresh. I'm not going to exactly cut the crease, but just give a little, you know what I mean. Now I'm going to be taking the middle color of this palette and going in with the Lexi 239 Precision Shader eyeshadow brush and just kind of packing it on my lid. Now that the basic eyeshadow is complete, I'm going to be taking a liner and just kind of draw a line across my eye so I have a place for my falsies to sit. I'm gonna go off camera for this one too. The black liner is now done. It's not perfect. It's just a base to set my falsies on, otherwise it looks a little crazy once I'm done. So I bought a pack of like 100 falsies for football season because I'm a cheerleader, so we have to like kind of look glamish while we cheer. So I'm just taking those again. I literally can't tell you where they're from. If you type in bulk fake lashes on Amazon, you'll find them. And I'm just going to be applying them with this Secure Hold Eyelash and Eyebrow Adhesive from Amazon. And this is my favorite because it has a little brush. Otherwise, because I don't really enjoy using the tube because I think you get too much on it. So if eyelashes are very hard for you in the beginning, I recommend using these. Kind of like that. It's hard to see, but it's definitely on there. Now my eyelashes are on there. And while this one is drying, I'm going to be taking my Better Than Birthday Sex mascara and just kind of going over this lash and then this one after. Now that the eyeshadow and lashes are done, I'm going to start prepping my lips to get them all done. I'm going to be going in with the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub. After that, I'm going to be going in from the C.O. Bigelow Rose Salve. I picked it up at Nordstrom Rack. And just applying a little bit of it. Now I'm going to be taking the Manna Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain and just going over my lips, and yeah. And now this is the final look. It usually turns out like this, but just with foundation under it. But since I don't really have bad skin, it looks exactly the same. And yeah, I went for kind of an orangey bronze look today, along with a pinky-ish lip. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below anything you'd like to see here, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested.